thing's the best.
We'll get them to tear it.
I'm gonna
Start
get
to
you
tear
one
it,
of
see
these.
if we'll finish tearing. What is this?
What is it?
One Hanukkah, Sherry, it took us 2 or 3 hours to get Danny to open a box.
He wanted to just hold the boxes and not open them.
Okay, look.
Here.
Do that? Can you tear that?
Ooh.
Take his bib off, huh?
Come on.
Get it.
Get it, here.
Can you video? Just hold it.
Oh, bless
What do I do?
you.
Just hold it?
Yeah, watch out for your finger.
Good boy. Are you ready?
Wow, that was good. That was good.
Good boy. Yay!
Hey, another one.
Yay!
See, another one. Do it. Come on, man, you can do it.
You're blocking it.
That's all right, I'm moving.
Yay! Look at this one.
Get it. Get it. Come on, big guy, rip. Oh!
Yay!
Give him 5 when he does it.
Yay!
It's
Yay!
another one. Come on, another one. Can you do it again?
Get it.
This is the big one.
What
It's
is
a
in
big
there?
piece.
Yeah, what's in there?
Yeah,
Get it.
what's in here?
What's in there?
It's a big
Oh.
piece.
What is it?
Oh,
Yay!
This is like a quiz show where they unlock the puzzle parts. Get a big one.
Hey.
Come on.
So
It's a
weird.
good boy.
Look.
You want Dada to help you?
Yay!
Oh.
Here, watch, look at it. Look at it. Yay!
Yay! Good boy. Don't cry.
No, he's screaming. Yay!
Do you hear it? His high pitched thing?
What was it? That was
It's
him.
him, yeah.
Yeah. Look.
Hey,
Oh, don't get in trouble now.
Yay!
Yay! Good boy.
No.
Look at that.
Look,
Look
what
at that,
is this? Ooh,
All right, that's a
learning
paper.
table.
Let's hold this on the...
Aw, thank you, Papa. Give
Say
Papa a
thank
kiss.
you.
Oh,
Give
great.
Papa a kiss. Okay, honey,
Oh,
take the
look at-
camera. And give Grams a kiss. Woo, Glammy Grams.
And it tells you all the things you could learn in a week.
Ooh, Daddy, will you put it together?
How long does this go?
I think this is real easy to put together.
How long?
I think all you gotta
30
do is
minutes.
put the legs in.
You want to open?
Open,
Open.
it gotta, here, wait. Turn it around the other
Oh,
side.
no,
I think
no.
they got a, oh yeah, they got like a thing.
Oh.
They said that was the one that everybody buys. It was the best one. Because they had a choice.
I thought they needed batteries.
It must
It must come with them.
4 legs.
I think that's it.
Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, you said you wanted something where you would stand up.
Maverick, do you like it?